This is the another one property for sale. This is the boundary, the marker, the bamboo fence, and here is right there. It's like 17-18 meters wide frontage along the provincial road. So this is the property, guys. I'll show you. So this is nice also because you know it's along the provincial road. This is situated in Dawis Panglao Island, Bohol, and also this is a titled property, and it's nice here to build for your residential home or commercial home or commercial business. So this is the property, guys. The size of the property is look like also a little ill. So this is the property. This is already mohon. Look at that. So this is the boundary. So there's also a boundary there, the barbed wire fence. So now this is the property. As you can see, there's also a lot of mahogany trees. There's also a banana there, and also the coconut trees. Oh, there's a banana. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. So I'll show you the other side. So as you can see, this is the another boundary. There's a marker. Look at that. So from here is until there. So this is a containing lot area of 1,263 square meter. There's also the marker, and the property is until there. Here. So this is including of the property. There's also another banana there. Look at that. So this is part that there is a kawayan bamboo is the boundary, and also there is a marker there. I'll show you. This one. There's a marker color blue. So from here, and also there is another one, the until to the bamboo kawayan. There is the marker. Show you guys. So this is nice because it's along the provincial road, and also this is close to the beach area, to the White Sand Beach. So until to the bamboo. So there is a barbed wire until there. So this is nice. It's a buildable. It's nice property. Very close to the White Sand Beach. And also if you like to go Alona, proper of Alona, it's like a 10 minutes drive. If you look going to airport, that is only a 10 minutes drive. If you're going to Tagbilaran City, that is only a 15 minutes drive. So it's very close to the major establishment. So this is good for residential, good for commercial, and also good for investment or land banking. It's nice. So if you are interested about this property, you can message me directly via my email, my WhatsApp, I am very happy to assist you guys. So I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and God bless, and see you in next video.